And welcome to the Oxford Sound in Black Pig Group Foundation Charity Awards 2024, our fourth year, where we've asked you to nominate people in the field of pig excellence and pork producer across our charity. They're nominated by you and they're voted for by you. It's your choice as to who's won. We've had well over 600 votes this year, nigh on 700, which is really great for the people that are out there. And every single person that I'm going to read out on the nominations are all well deserving of the award, but unfortunately there can only be one winner of each ward. However, this year, as the new chairman for the charity, I've decided that I want to call out two individuals who I feel have contributed in different areas towards supporting the charity and our ethos. But we'll come to that after we've done the main awards. So, first up, we're going to go for the Pig Excellence Award 2024. Lots of nominees on here. Louise Corcoran, Hricko, Nicola Goodings, Kerrie Chalmers, Shaun Jennings of Tweed Trotters, Steve Wright, Lucy Ball, Cara Allan, Louise Blenkhorn, Christopher Moss, Siobhan Hubbard, Amanda Packford-Garrett, Lillie Smith, Jason Mayo, Nicola Cintas, Andrew Rock, and finally Natalie Lewis. Now there were three people in very close at the top to winning the award. Just three people at the top fighting out in close space, and those three people were Louise Corcoran, Hricko, and Jason Mayo. And as much as I'd like to give the award to everyone, the winner, as from this card here, of the Pig Excellence Award 2024 is Hricko. Congratulations, Linda, that's well deserved. Linda, that's well deserved, and congratulations, and thank you for all the support that you give the charity, especially your video of your tour around your farm. That's amazing, and has grown our YouTube channel phenomenally. So thank you so much for that. So next up, we are on to the Pork Producer Award 2024. Nominees here in this field were Shaun Jennings, Tweed Trotters, the Vestages of Arngask Farm, Nicola Goodings, Green Farm, Amy and Steve Edmonds at Poppyfields Produce, Matt Horn of Berry Long Downs, Graham Bellingham, Justin and Dom Newman, who run the Happy Wallow farm shop down in Cornwall. Last year's winner, Katie Cooper from South Paddocks, Lucy Middleton of Paradise Produce, who isn't that far from where I am, Mike Thompson. Those of you that might not know, Mike did our charcuterie video on our YouTube channel, and finally Lydia Johnson of Conway Valley Produce in Wales. This is a first for the awards in this particular category this year, and it was won with a lot of votes, and I'm pleased to say the winner of the Pork Producer 2024 is South Paddocks, Katie Cooper. 2 years back-to-back winner, our 2023 winner and our 2024 winner. Here they are. You've seen me posting about the awards on there. The names are now on the trophies and will be going out to those individuals that have won, along with some glass bowl memento that's provided to us by Lisa Twyman, etched with for yourselves as a keepsake, along with a choice of a hoodie or a sweater, are all yours and on the way. We will be in touch in due course. So I mentioned earlier on that I wanted to call out two individuals that I feel have contributed in different fields to help support the charity. And I want to start with the first award. I'm calling this the Chairman's Pork Inspiration Award. It's someone that's very prolific on our pork group, inspiring us with ideas and showing off their culinary skills. One thing that stood out to me this year was what I would call the epic Christmas hams that he did. And that person is Graham Bellingham. And Graham, I'd like to thank you for all you do in keeping that pork group going with the inspiration. I know there are many people that contribute. Your post gets lots of engagement, encouragement, and come up with great ideas of how we can use our OSB pork. So thank you so much. You'll be getting one of these clocks that I've made. You see that I sent to Kim as a small Christmas present. That will be etched by myself and dedicated to you with your name on it for 2024, the Chairman's Pork Inspiration Award. Right, lastly, there's one other person that I want to call out, and that is someone that goes beyond in promoting the charity outside of our social media, I guess, Facebook area. This particular individual's been breeding for a few years, produces some cracking pork along with some other meats in their farm shop in Norfolk. And this lady does an epic job of promoting the charity and what we do outside of social media through her farm shop and coming up with ideas and inspiring people along the way. And that person that I want to give the award that I'm calling the Chairman's Charity Promoter Award, and that person is Nicola Goodings of Green Farm in Norfolk. So thank you very much, Nicola. Congratulations. You will also be getting one of these personalised clocks. I will be in contact with you in due course to arrange that to be sent. So there we go. The awards for 2024. Our Pig Excellence winner, Linda Hricko. Excellent job, Linda. Thank you very much for all you do. Our pork producer, second year in a row, Katie Cooper of South Paddocks. Thank you. That was, exceptional input that you have around producing pork and going around all the fairs and shows promoting the charity as well. So thank you so much for that. And to our two chairmen, what I call the people that I feel have stood out outside of that, people that I feel have stood out across our social media channels and promoting the charity, that being Graham Bellingham and Nicola Goodings. So thank you very much, everyone. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I hope you get to enjoy your awards, and your goods will be with you shortly. So thank you very much, and good evening.